My name is Priti Darshini Annapapangasalam. My battery number is 201362806. So today I'll explain about experiment 2 for industrial automation. So here they have been given the circuit inside the lab module. So we need to generate this circuit and know the process. So now I will start. I have done the circuit. Now I'll start. So now we need to see the how the motor run. For this, we need to see the forward and reverse. So now start, and after we start, we can see zoom in, we can see the motor direction in reverse. And then the coil one, output one is on. And then next, we need to stop. And then only we need to press this reverse button to get the reverse sign for this motor. So the reverse sign is the forward because initially we get a reverse sign. And then when we push LS2, also we get the reverse sign, which is forward motor. And for LS2, the stop button is LS1. This is the function of start, stop, reverse, LS1 and LS2. So this is the PLC diagram, input, output, and here is two output for this first question. So that's all for this part. For we move to second part. So this is my second part. Here they have been given a controlling a motor using self-latching application. There's given a diagram. According to the diagram, we need to create a circuit. So this is the circuit that I created, and now I'll start it. So they ask the basket with metallic object is immersed inside the tank. Once according to the following by Antonians, pressing button start, the basket must immerse once after the tank and the basket return to the end position and remain up there until the next pressing start button. So now in this process, I'll start this circuit. To start, we can see the motor in forward, and forward is counterclockwise. So here, after we start, the motor runs, and then it will trigger the self-latching output, which is C1. When we start to press the stop button, it will stop. And then here, we will start the LS2 button, which is the reverse function. So the motor will go forward. Just now, when we press the start button, the motor is initially in forward direction. Now, when we press the LS2, it will be in reverse, forward direction. So the stop button for LS1 is LS2 is LS1. So when it starts, the it will trigger the self-latching output, which is C1, coil 1, causing the motor to rotate in counterclockwise. Then the basket will move downwards for immersion. Next, once the basket has reaches the bottom, it will trigger the LS2. So the output 2 will blink here, and the basket will trigger the LS1 to stop the motor. So that's all the function for this. And then this cycle will repeat when we press the stop button. So next we will go for a third question, which is the question has asked us to do a barrel filling system for a dry bulk material. Inside the module, they have asked all the instructions, so we need to follow and do the circuit as usual. So now I restart the function. It will be in standby mode. And then after that, we will start. Then it will show the motor 1 will run and run mode will on. Next, we will on the PC. So for the PC, the run mode and the valve and run mode will on. And then next, we will make sure the level switch is on like this so that we can get the full barrier and run mode on. So next, we will press start again, release PC and release limit level switch and stop. And start first and then PC level switch, start again, release this and stop. So start, release it, this and then stop. We can see the standby mode where initially when we on, that's in the standby mode, and after we stop it will be in standby mode. We have used for input, which is start, stop, PC and level switch, and then the outputs are the motor, valve, run mode, standby, full variable. So 5 outputs. So this is how the entire system will function with the input, output, and the PLC ladder diagram. And here we can see the direction of the motor for this part for the motor. And then when we press the PC, it will change to here. This motor will start to run to forward direction, reverse direction. And we press the level switch, the motor won't run because the motor off. So that's all for this lab. Thank you.